Hi everyone! Have a nice day! This is ice cream machine, guys. This one. It's heavy. I will clean this. Thank you for watching. Model of ice cream machine. Guys, linisan ko ito, guys. Kinuha ko doon sa taas, guys. Oh, dami kami mga machine, guys. Oh, kompleto. Ito pang ice cream ito, guys. Alam mo, guys, kinuha ko, dinala ko dito, guys, kasi mabigat siya, guys. Oo. Ganyan. Kasi kailangan palagi malinis. Alam nyo, guys, ito ang laman niya, guys. Guys, oh. Very cute. Ay, guys, oh. Yan. Stainless sa loob, guys, oh. Stainless. Mabigat. It's too heavy. Look. This is inside of the ice cream maker machine. It's heavy. Kasi gagawa kami ng ice cream, guys. Si Amo, guys, magawa ng ice cream. Kahit hindi magawa ng ice cream, every week nilinisan ito, guys. Ice cream machine. Ice cream machine. So cute. But heavy. It's heavy. Guys, dito yung ano niya. On and off, guys, dito. Timer. Ito pala yung timer niya, guys. Oh. Timer niya ito, guys. Tapos dito, on and off. Dito, on and off. This one is the timer. Ang ganda, guys. Ito cover niya, guys. Linis na. Very cute. Very cute ang ano niya. Very cute dito yung ano niya sa loob. So, ibalik na natin. Ganyan. Ganyan mag-open, guys. Pag ganyanin lang, guys. Ganyan. Parang nakakatakot. Tapos, ganyan open. Tapos, close. Ganyan din. Left and the right. Ibalik ko ito sa itaas. Ice cream maker machine. It's heavy. It's clean. Later I will put this up. Oh, this is clean already. Charan, 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 tan. Ice cream. So yummy. Love you guys. Bagay man ako mag-model ng ice cream machine. Keep smiling.